All right, our last question. 52, what a bargain. Susan buys a tennis racket from a store. The tennis racket's original price is $75. All tennis rackets are on sale for 25% off the original price. The tennis racket Susan selected has a scratch, so she receives an additional 10% off the sale price. Okay? How much does Susan pay for her tennis racket, including 13% tax? Okay, so we're going to have to go through a few steps, okay? So our first step is going to be to find the sale price, okay? The sale price, which includes 25% off, okay? So step one, find sale price. So remember, we're saving 25%, right? So what does that mean about what we're paying, right? If we save 25%, that means we're paying 75%, right? Key information, we pay 75%. How did I get 75? Well, I did 100% minus 25. Okay, so to get the sale price, what we do is we take the original price and we multiply it by 75%, okay? So remembering that 75% in decimal form is 0.75, okay? We multiply that by our original price, which happens to be $75. All right, so 75 times 0.75 is going to give me a sale price of $56.25. Okay, so that's the sale price. Okay, now the tennis racket that Susan chose, it ends up that she chose a racket that has a scratch. So she receives an additional 10% off. But this 10% is off of the sale price. Okay, it's not off of the original price, which the 25% one was. So we're going to have to do another calculation. So step two, right? Find the discounted price, right? So find so this is our sale price with the additional 10%. Okay, so again, if we save 10%, we pay 90%. Okay, we pay 90%. So that means our new discount price, so discount price, it's going to be equal to, remember, 90% is 0.90 times our sale price, right? So times 56.25, okay? And we get a bit of a discount, so we go down to $50.63. And I'm rounding to 2 decimal places, right? Okay. All right, so this is what, this price here, right, is what the racket would come to before taxes, right? With this, the 25% off and then the additional 10% off. But if we recall, we want to know how much Susan pays for the tennis racket, including tax. Okay, so step 3 is going to be calculating our after-tax price. So find after tax. Okay. All right. And I'm just going to do a very quick little demonstration here to kind of remind you about taxes, how we work with taxes. So remember, let's say we have 13% tax, right? The final price would be equal to, the after-tax price would be equal to the regular price, right, P, plus 0.13 times P, okay? Now, remembering that this is 1P, a little shortcut, a little neat trick is to just know that this combines to 1.13 times P. So if I want to get the sale price, I simply have to multiply if I want to get the after-tax price, I simply have to multiply the discounted price by 1.13. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So after tax price, and we get 1.13 times $50.63. Okay. Oops. And that gives us a final price of $57.21. Okay, so therefore, now we can write our concluding statement, right? So therefore, after taxes, Susan pays $57.21 for her tennis racket. Okay, so that's that. We're all done with the review package. And next week, we are going to be starting to learn new material. Okay, so hopefully you did spend some time this week going over this, because a lot of the concepts are very important for us moving forward. Okay, have a great weekend, guys, and I'll talk to you guys again on Monday.